Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing how sore I am with me jumping back into owning my own school, training again with my students, training again with other black belts. And I can tell you right now, this could be a pretty short video, I am extremely sore. From the top of my head down to my toes, every part of my body is extremely sore right now. But I haven't, excuse me, I haven't really trained really hard like a student for more than 15 years. I had my school and I was running my school for my old school for 8 years. My training went downhill. I've been a 4th degree for way too long. That's why I'm training now to get my 5th degree, because I got kind of reprimanded by Grandmaster, and he's like, you need to get testing again. So that's kind of for this video. I'm really sore, and I'm like, man, I am just extremely sore. And I think some of it is my age, and some of it is I haven't used these muscles in a very long time. Kicking muscles. I'm sore along the back of the arms, back, chest, legs. My legs feel extremely heavy right now. My kicks are slow. They're not very strong, but of course, get over that hill and I should be back up to par probably in a few months. This camp was really good for me. I got to train with the Grandmaster and his wife, which is also a Grandmaster. They're both Grandmasters, and they are awesome. I extremely enjoyed the time I had with them. We went out to a school dinner, school owners dinner, and I really got to kind of prick their brain about a couple things, and they've kind of corrected me on some stuff, and it was a really good time, and I really enjoyed it. I am a nerd when it comes to this stuff, guys. I absolutely, I can't tell you how much passion and joy I get from martial arts, teaching martial arts. As weird as that sounds to probably some people, this is just an awesome lifestyle that I've wanted to do since I was a green belt. With my first studio, I've always wanted to be like, hey, if someone else can do it, then I can do it too. And I've worked hard for it, and I'm not gonna let this go anytime soon. But let's go into more of like the soreness and kind of what I'm feeling. So I was trying to give myself like a day or two to to rest my muscles, take some ibuprofen if I needed to. I haven't actually taken any yet. I don't think I need to, but it was there on the table for me. And I just wanted at least 1 or 2 days to kind of heal my body up, and then I'll go. But I do have classes Mondays and Wednesdays and Thursdays now, and it's just not possible to not kick and punch and hold pads and work out when you're the head instructor as well. So there was no time for me to heal body-wise, so it was just kind of jumping in there and getting it done. I did buy myself a massage gun. And that does work, because my left arm, I use my left arm a lot for the weapons and just, pretty much everything. And if I don't watch it, my left hand kind of gets a little bit sore. Back up here, I had a really bad fall, when younger, my probably early 30s, I was snowboarding, and man, I took a really bad fall. And ever since then, if I kink it a little bit too much, man, it gets sored up for weeks, and I have to take that massage gun I have, and it breaks up the the knots in my arm and stuff like that. And it makes it feel actually pretty good. But yeah, I'm just kind of sore, and like when I'm going to bed, like I am zonked out, like out cold. Someone could probably rob me and I wouldn't even know about it. But yeah, extremely sore. But that too is probably some of my age as well. But my legs feel like concrete right now. It feels like I got like heavy bags down my legs. I mean, I know that will kind of go away in time. It's just the muscles that I haven't used in a long time are like screaming at me. And that's kind of what that is. But it's completely around my whole leg, back of the leg, side, front, inner, down in my calf area, trying to get my my ankle correctly, proportioned, for a side kick, the front kick, whatever it is, hook kick, axe kick, things like that. Just very slow. And I was at the camp. I was in every association, I believe, like the highest rank will be on one end, and then it kind of goes down from the other, and kind of goes down there. Well, I was one of the highest ranks there. There's 3 others that were the same rank, and so I let them kind of take the lead on this, and then I stood back with the color belts, because I was like, I don't want to, I'm not really 100% sure on like the whole format of this style yet. It is very similar, but there are a few differences in that. But I was like, nope, don't even call on me. Like I'm just gonna sit back here with these, first degrees, red belts, things like that, and I am absolutely fine. So so I really enjoyed myself with that, and I think they did too, but I don't know. So yeah, that's kind of all I have for this video. Just if you're thinking about like getting back into it, and have been out of it for a while, and the soreness is part of your decision, and you're kind of relaxed in your life and everything like that, just say, like, I mean, you're going to be sore. It's just going to be part of the game until you get back up to that your desired form and stuff. But just keep driving on, put one foot in front of the other, and sooner or later you'll get there. So other than that, that's all I have. Remember, guys, train hard, train smart. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and till next time, guys, I'll see you later.